Hi everyone, this is Balakrishna Reddy. Today's session I wanted to cover one small important concept regarding constructors. The question is whether Java allows private constructors. Java supports private constructor concept in our programming. In our Java programming, private constructors are supported or not. Before going to discuss about the private constructor, I want to discuss about this private modifier, private access modifier. So generally Java programming supports four types of access modifiers. They are public, private, protected, default. Private is one of them. So its accessibility. Private allows accessibility up to the particular class only, within the single class only, within the single class accessibility up to particular class accessibility we use as private access modifier. Private allows within the single class only. Now I am trying to demonstrate whether private constructor is supported or not. If supporting, what is its accessibility, how to access the private constructor concept. Class test I am going to create. Class name. I have a clear idea what is a constructor. Constructor is a special member method which having same name as class name. What is the class name you given? You have to give the same name for the method but having the special characters. So which does not support return type, you already know. So which is invoked automatically, without calling. Automatically, constructor invokes automatically when we declare, when we created object. So now I am going to checking. So which type of constructors are going to be worked? Private is worked or not? Just first I am going to taking here as a default type. Default. Here we are not specifying any. Here you are not specifying any access modifier. Now it is considered as a default type. If we not giving anything, by default type is supported. Just checking whether Java supports default type or not. Just I created one folder with the name of Java, giving that as a test.java. Test.java. Trying to compiling. We saved here with the Java folder with the name of test.java. Trying to compiling that one. Command line I am going to opening. Command line I am going to opening. In the command line we created that file Java C test.java. Java C test.java. So automatically it full-fledgedly supported. Program is fully compiled without any errors. No. Now I am trying to checking Java P test command. Java P description purpose we using the Java P command. So it's automatically one constructor is going to be showing. Its constructor type is default type. Default is allowed by Java. Java constructor default type is supported. Now I am trying to checking with public type. Public class test. Trying to compiling. That is also public type of constructor is also supported. Now checking with private type. Private test. Trying to compiling that code. So that is also supported. Java supports private constructor, but we have to clearly observe one thing. If we declaring it as a private, we cannot access that constructor. If we declare the constructor as a private type, we cannot access that constructor from outside of the class. Within the same class we access it. But I will show you. if it is accessible or not. Just one line of statement, understandability purpose, one statement I am going to writing. System dot out dot print or println. Just understandability purpose. This is private constructor. This is private constructor. This is private constructor. Checking over here, closing this one, trying to starting the program execution. Within the same class only I am going to writing the program execution. Public static void main string of args. Public static void main string of args. Next, how to invoke the constructor? Constructor invoked automatically when we created the object. So you know how to create the object. Class name, object name equals to new class name, new test. Class name, object name equals to new class name. When we done this one, cursor immediately jump to test and invoke this constructor. Executing or not, we check. Private type, executed or not, Java C test. Trying to running this application also. How to run the Java program? Java file name, Java class name. Program is going to be private constructor. Private constructor is supported in Java. But if it is supported when we working within the same class, that is supported. But now I am writing the constructor with one class, accessing that constructor with other class. Class demo class. Previously within the test only I created, accessed within the test only. But now I am going to saving this program as demo.java. Demo.java. Two different classes based we are going to try. Demo.java. Within the same class, that full-fledgedly supported. Different class based we are going to checking supported or not. So there is a accessibility problem is there. That is private access within the test only. If you are writing, you are declaring using within the test only, private constructor is supported. But you are using with other class, then private constructor is not supported. Either default or public type is supported, but a private constructor is not supported with a different class. Clearly observe one thing. Private constructor supported if we working with the single class, but private constructor is not supported if we working with different classes. So that is a overview regarding the private constructor.